Master the art of letter writing, appropriate language and tone. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our video series on mastering English reading and writing skills. Today, we are focusing on a very important aspect of communication, appropriate language and tone in formal and informal letters. It might seem complex at first, but once you understand the basics, it will be quite simple. So, let's get started. Choosing the appropriate language and tone is crucial when writing both formal and informal letters. This not only conveys your message accurately but also showcases your respect and understanding of the recipient's perspective. Misjudgments in language and tone can lead to misunderstandings, or even offend the recipient. So, always be mindful of the language and tone you use. Formal language is generally used in professional or official communications, such as business letters or academic papers. It is structured, precise, and adheres to grammatical rules strictly. On the other hand, informal language is used in personal or casual settings. It's more relaxed and may include colloquialisms, idioms, and slang. Remember, each has its place and it's crucial to know when to use which. The tone of your letter is the voice, or mood, that comes across when reading it. In a formal letter, the tone should be polite, respectful, and somewhat detached. There's no room for emotion or personal bias. Contrastingly, in an informal letter, the tone can be personal, emotional, and less structured. It's like having a chat with a friend. You can express your feelings and opinions freely, as long as they're respectful. To identify the appropriate language and tone, ask yourself these questions. Who is my audience? What is the purpose of my letter? What message do I want to convey? Your answers will guide you to the most suitable language and tone for your letter. It's all about being audience-centric and purposeful. To give you a clear understanding, here are a few examples. Formal. I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with the service provided. Informal. Hey, I just wanted to tell you I wasn't really happy with how things went. Notice the differences in language and tone? It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. And there you have it, language learners. Choosing the right language and tone can make your letters more effective and powerful. Practice makes perfect, so keep writing and experimenting with different styles. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to comment with your own examples of formal and informal language. Until next time, happy learning!